Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use Beaver Builder. This incredible tool empowers you to create stunning WordPress websites with ease, even if you have zero coding experience. It's a visual page builder, meaning you can drag and drop elements directly onto your page and see your changes instantly. This makes the design process incredibly efficient and enjoyable, giving you complete creativity. To begin, you'll first need to install the Beaver Builder plugin from your WordPress dashboard. Once installed, make sure to activate it to enable all its powerful functionalities. You can then access the page builder by simply editing any existing page or post, or by creating a brand new one. Just click the Launch Beaver Builder button, and you'll be ready to start designing your site in moments. While maximizing the in-game brightness helps, it still has limits. To achieve truly high gamma, often called full bright, you need to utilize a specialized resource pack. These packs are designed to override the game's default darkness, making all areas appear fully lit. This provides an unparalleled level of visibility, similar to having a permanent night vision effect without any potion or command. For more advanced design, Beaver Builder offers fantastic features. You can save your custom layouts and individual modules, making them reusable across your entire site, saving you valuable time. Global rows and modules allow you to update content in one place, and those changes will reflect everywhere. Remember to optimize your designs for mobile devices using the responsive settings, ensuring your site looks perfect on every screen.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.